Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on use information from sites you visit on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings. Now click privacy and data, and here you will find it, use information from sites you visit. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on use information from sites you visit on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.